Hello everyone, welcome back to our video series on Java programming. And our today's topic is class and object. Okay, as we all know that Java is an object oriented programming language. That means it deals with classes and objects. Okay, now the question is, what is a class? Okay, so class is nothing but collection of data members and member functions, or you can say that in simple words, class is collection of your variables and the methods or functions. Okay, how to create a class? To create a class, we use class keyword. Okay, class keyword and the class name. So let's say if I want to create a class employee, so I'm writing here class space employee. This way we can create a class. Now in this class, I have to take the data members and the member function. So let's say if I want to store the details of employee as id, name and salary, so I'm taking here int id and string name and float I am taking salary. So these three, id, name and salary, which I have declared here, is my data members. Okay, now I am writing here two methods. Let's say void accept, and one more method I am taking here, void display. So these two are the member functions. Okay, so this is my class collection of data members and the member function. Clear? Let's say to read input, I am using scanner class, so I will create object of scanner class. Scanner s equal to new scanner into bracket system dot in. Okay, I have created the object. Now I want the details of employee, so I'm just writing here system dot out dot println into bracket. I am giving enter employee details as I want employee name, so I'm giving here employee. First I want employee id and I want employee name, and also I want employee salary. Okay, these details I want. Now we will read the details one by one. id equal to, how to read the detail, object name s dot, we have method next int. Okay, then name equal to object name dot, we have method next. Okay, and salary equal to s dot, we have salary next float. Okay, so in this way I am reading all the details of employee with the help of scanner class. Okay, now next is um to display the details. Okay, so simply in system dot out dot println I will display the employee details. I'll just copy paste here, and first is employee id plus, employee id is in variable id, plus I want slash n, I am taking employee name. Okay, plus sign in variable name, it is again plus, here I am taking employee salary, employee salary plus in variable sal. So in this way I am displaying the details. Now this my class is ready here. Now to access this class, we need to create the object of a class. Now here we have a main class which contains the main function, and we have to save the program with the same name as the class name, correct? So I have saved this program with class demo only, class demo.java. Now in main function we will create the object of employee class. How to create the object? Employee class name object name equal to new employee semicolon. Okay, so this is the creation of object. When you create object, constructor is called. Here we have not written constructor. In next videos we will see what constructor is. Okay, now next is using this object e dot I can access the methods of my class. So I am calling here e dot accept method and e dot display method we have. Clear? So in this way you can create object and you can access the data of your class with the help of object. Clear? Now we'll save this program and we'll just execute this. Java C file name is class demo dot java, and now we'll run this program. Java file name. So enter employee details. I hope it is visible. Enter employee details as employee id. Let's say I'm putting here 1. Employee name I am giving understanding academic fundamental, and the salary I am giving as 45,000. So it will display employee id is 1, employee name and the salary. Clear? So in this way you can create class and you can access the class with the help of object. So one Java program can have more than one classes, but one thing you have to remember is only one class will be public. The class which contains main function, only that class can be your public class. If I make this class also as public, now I'll execute this. See what happened. I'll just compile this first. Now it will giving me error. See, class employee is public, should be declared in a file named employee.java. Okay, whenever your class is public, it considered it as the main class. So you don't have to write public for any other classes. You will just write public for the main class which containing main function. Clear? Okay. I hope this concept is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe.